entrusted with high office, starting with me and including you. As you begin your tenure, remember that you are not alone. You have a nation standing firmly behind you, supporting your every effort to ensure that the law is justly administered and that the rights of all are respected. May your tenure as the Director of Public Prosecution be marked by triumph of justice, and may you stand as an inspiring example of integrity and dedication to duty. My good brother Omulele, Ingonga, Renson, I want you to know that we stand here today. I know you have members of your family here, because the office you are holding from today is a very high office in the Republic of Kenya. And the expectations are equally high. And I want to encourage you that you will succeed, because you have the support of all these people, and you have the support of the people of Kenya. Kenyans are resolute, and they are determined to make sure that we rout out corruption in our country. As you have heard, I have said, mambo ni matatu. And you know one of them, it is up to you to discharge. So you have a duty to make sure that the property of the people of Kenya, the resources of the people of Kenya, are not abused, they are not wasted, they are not stolen, and through corruption, the people of Kenya don't lose. I am very clear in my mind as to where we want to go on this matter, and we will defeat corruption. I am confident that we will defeat corruption, because the people of Kenya have so decided. So you have a huge responsibility, but you will succeed, because all Kenyans will support you. The other arms of government are here. The other organs of criminal justice system are here. The Chief Justice can tell you that we have kept our part of the bargain to make sure that we support the judiciary to the extent that we can. And we haven't asked them for any favorable judgment. We've asked them to discharge their responsibility in the way the law gives them the mandate. We will do ours, and everybody must do theirs. May the Almighty God of all creation bless your every action, and through you and all your colleagues that will be working with you, bless the nation of Kenya and all our people of Kenya. Congratulations again, Renson. My very best wishes, and as I told you, I look forward to working with you to make sure that you succeed and Kenya succeeds. Asante sana.